Hello viewers, welcome back to Tech Speech. This is my another video about how to download and install the PUBG in Indian version. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like, share it in your friends. Open the Chrome and type PUBG India and search and press the second link what you got in your browser, Battleground Mobile India official. Then press yearly access now. It will go to second tab. You can get two links here. Press the download it on Play Store. If you press that icon, it will redirect into your Play Store and select to install. Already I installed, so I am playing now. If you want to download directly on your mobile, I gave a link in my description. Go to the description and select to download directly. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubts, comment below in my section. That's all friends. Thank you for watching.